Insight Vacations launches new U.S. small group van tours. The Yellowstone National Park and the California coastline are just a few of the destinations that Insight Vacations' new selection of small group van trips to the United States will explore. On a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van, an experienced driver and a travel director will lead the trips. Guests have the option of booking a private group or joining a publicly advertised tour for up to 17 individuals. In addition to comfortable seats, overhead storage, a TV monitor, purified water, and USB outlets, each van has overhead baggage compartments. It's easier to get into places that aren't ideal for huge groups when you have a smaller group to deal with. To help communities and the environment benefit from travel, these new group excursions include Insight's Make Travel Matter activities. There are 2 new 7-day van excursions available from Insight Vacations right now. For 4 days, the Yellowstone Discovery trip starts in Bozeman, Montana, where visitors may either go hiking or take an archery instruction before embarking on a series of moderate walks in Yellowstone National Park. Finally, visitors to Grand Teton National Park may have an Make Travel Matter experience by visiting the National Elk Refuge. This tour begins in San Francisco and ends in Sacramento. The second new itinerary is called The Best of Northern California. Make Travel Matter participants may tour the redwood forests of Muir Woods National Monument before traveling to Point Reyes to learn about beekeeping and mead production at Hydron Meadery. Afterwards, they'll go to Mendocino Headlands State Park, where they'll learn about the protection of coastal habitats via an Make Travel Matter activity. Before returning to San Francisco, this excursion includes wine tastings in Napa Valley and Sonoma Valley. Insight's website lists both of these excursions under the Regional Trips section for slightly over $4,000 per person.